Hello everybody. Now then, I've got a really busy week this week. My lad's going in the army Sunday, so I'm just going to be, this week is just going to be what I can do basically. I ain't got much choice, got loads on, packing and paperwork and all that. So today I'm just going to be doing something simple. I'm going to do it in the air fryer. Let me just see what happens. So let me show you what I'm going to do. Right then, I'm going to be doing the ultimate burger. Why not? Because I fancy a burger today, so I thought I'm going to do an ultimate one. So I've got some burgers, Aldi. I've got a chicken quarter pounder. That's going on top of there. I've got some mozzarella sticks. That's going on the burger. I've got some bacon, streaky bacon. Jesus, I ain't been able to get that for weeks. It's £2 now for that. It's like £1.20. £2 for that. Some streaky bacon. I'm going to have an egg. And I'm going to have some onion rings. Make my own. It's going to be quite fun. I don't know how I'm going to get it all on the burger, but I'm going to try. So it's all going in the air fryer, so it should only take about 10-15 minutes to do the lot. Right, so we'll get the burger open first. Just going to have the one. Don't get too greedy. Too greedy with this lot. I'm going to get a chicken burger. I'm going to get the burgers in the air fryer first. Because the bacon only take about 5 minutes, I think. These will probably take about 10. I'm only going to put a bit of pepper on the burger. I'm not going to put any oil or anything on. I'm not doing anything else. Just got me rack from me thing. I'm going to get them straight on here. I'm going to put them like that. And then I'm going to put my mozzarella sticks on the top with my battered onion rings. And then I'm going to put my bacon on this underneath. And I can probably catch all the juices off the burger onto my bacon. Then I'm going to get my bacon. I haven't turned the thingy on yet, the air fryer, because you won't be able to hear me talk otherwise. I'm going to set everything up first. How many pieces of crispy should we have? Streaky. Let's have 3. Let's be greedy. And I'm just going to put them in the air fryer for a minute. I haven't turned it on yet. Right, now I've got myself some plain flour. Got an egg. And I just got some breadcrumbs. I'm going to whisk that egg up. Get that whisked up. Don't need a lot because I'm only doing a couple of the onion rings. So now, let's get on with the onion rings. Flour first. And get it all covered. Actually, I'll put them all 3 in. Would I stick with the flour? I don't know. I know some people don't put flour on the onion rings. They just put the egg on. Right, that's them 3 done. I'm gonna double dip them. I'm gonna put a bit of one spray on them just to get it to stick a bit better. It's not sticking very well. Don't know if you're supposed to do that, but I am. That's better, isn't it? No, that'll do. Only good on a burger. Right, that's them 3 done. Right, as I say, I've got them in there. Burgers on the top, bacon in the middle to get the bottom to get the juices. I'm going to stick that on air fry. I'm going to do maybe 180 degrees. Put it on for whatever, 12 minutes or something. And after about 5, the bacon should be nearly done then. I'm going to put them in with the mozzarella sticks. Right, here's the mozzarella sticks. I don't know if you've seen them before. So they're 89p they are. I'll just show you the ingredients, well the calories and that on them, if you want to have a look at that. They only take about 9 or 10 minutes in the oven, so they ain't going to take long in here. You see that properly, do what you do. That's them. Let's open them up and show you. They're not big, but they're alright to go on a burger. That's them there. They're like what's-its, aren't they? Well, what them burgers are doing, I've just toasted my buns and I just cut myself a bit of lettuce. So I'm going to prepare this bit. It ain't going to be much longer now. Bit of mayo on the bottom. Of course, some lettuce. I've got the fat warming up for the egg. It's cooking nicely. Bacon's getting crispy. Burgers are doing. Burgers probably another 5 minutes. So I'm going to get my mozzarella sticks in now. Not putting loads in, but maybe 2 or 3. It's only going on top of the burger. And I'm going to get my onion rings in. There we go. And we'll see what happens in about 5 minutes. I've got the egg cooking. The onion rings ain't cooking very well in that air fryer. See me looking dry, so I might stick them in. Once the eggs are done, I might stick them in the frying pan, but we'll see. But everything else is done. Burger, I'm going to stick a burger on. And I'm going to do a bit of cheese. Just got the basic cheese. The burger cheese. I don't know how I'm going to get all this on a bun. I ain't got a clue. I was going to melt it in there, but I thought, nah. Then I want a bit of bacon. Look at that crunchy bacon there. Look. Oh, yes. One of them looks a bit anemic, hasn't properly done but not crunchy like I like it. Then I'm going to stick the chicken burger on top. Oh, yes. Yes. Now wait for the egg now. Oh, I'm going to get the egg on. I don't drop it. There's the egg. Well, I'm going to stick the onion rings in the frying pan for a minute because they're done, but they're very, I don't know, they just don't look right. But not to worry. Mozzarella sticks, I probably won't even need them onion rings anyway. Don't even think I'll get them on. I'm going to get that in my gob. Look at it. Look at the thing. And I'm also going to have a bit of chilli jam on top. Yeah, I've never done onion rings in the air fryer, so I don't know what they'd come out like, but no, better to fry them, innit? But I learn by my mistakes. I won't get them on there anyway, will I? There's an onion ring. It's okay, it's a bit, seems very dry. I'm going to stick it on anyway, I'll stick one in the middle here. I'll take that one off. One on there, look that. Stick that on there. And stick that on there. OFG Ultimate Burger. See if I can get my chopping board and slide it across onto it. For my thumbnail. So then, what do we think of that? Oh, let's get you straight with a thummy. There we go. Yum yum. I don't know how I'm going to eat it. Let's taste test it all together anyway and see what happens. So let me see if I can show you like this without it falling. I ain't going to be able to get this in my gob. How am I supposed to eat this? No, it's all foul up now. Get back on there. There we go. The OFG Ultimate. That's what I'm going to call it. I don't know why I've done it. You can see it. Let's have a crack. All the different flavours in that. And that chilli jam as well gives it a nice little... Oh yes. Bit disappointed with the onion rings. Not quite done. learned from my mistakes with the onion rings. I won't do them in the air fryer again. Not homemade anyway. Very dry. It's just like an onion. The onion isn't cooked quite properly. It's not soft, look. Look. I prefer them fried up. That's how I learn by my mistakes, that's it. That's gorgeous though. God knows how many calories are in it altogether. Not for the faint-hearted, I know that much. And you make a mess as well. Yes. There you go, something simple. Took about 15, 17 minutes. I was just waiting on the onion rings, but I don't know, let me know how you do them in the air fryer. I've never done them. I say I'm the old air fryer. I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Ultimate Burger, OFG style. See you later. Bye bye.